Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today by opening your arms wide, shoulder height, pressing through your palms, spreading your fingers wide. Curl your fingers in, make a light fist, bending at your wrists, and unwind your hands, spreading your fingers wide. Continue to repeat this sequence, curling your fingers in, making a half fist, squeezing in, making a full fist, bending at your wrists, engaging your forearms, and slowly unwinding your hands, pressing your palms away, lengthening through your wrists, spreading your fingers wide, feeling a stretch through your wrists, hands, and forearms. Release, moving into neck rotations. Sitting tall, gently turn your head to look out over your right shoulder and left. Continue slowly rotating right and left, allowing this movement to originate from the point between your shoulder blades, keeping your spine and neck long. Release, returning to center, moving into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around. Continue moving at your own pace, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Continue breathing deeply as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Release, returning to center. Moving into shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release, returning to center, moving into a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Adding on, inhale, open your arms wide, lifting through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue flowing at your own pace, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, spine, arms, and shoulders. Release, returning to center, transitioning into dynamic arm raises. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, increasing circulation in your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lifting through your right leg. Exhale, lower your arms and leg. Continue alternating right and left, wrapping this movement around your breath, sitting tall, drawing your navel back towards your spine, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. For more of a challenge, reach opposite arm while lifting through opposite leg. Continue moving at your own pace, alternating right and left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Feeling this action, awaken your center. Stay connected to your breath, optional to add a leg extension as you continue flowing from right to left, extending without locking your knee, resting when you need to, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Stay connected to your smooth, even breath as you release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Adding a side stretch, begin to gently reach across your body, flowing from right to left, keeping your legs strong and active, and your weight even in your hips, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and step your feet back to center, waking up the energy of your feet. Begin to alternate between lifting through your heels, pressing down through the balls of your feet, and lowering your heels, lifting and spreading through your toes. Continue with this movement as you lift through your heels, press down through the balls of your feet, spreading your toes, and as you lower your heels, lift and spread through your toes, flexing the tendons to the tops of your feet. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.